Hi, I'm Vicki. Let yourself pause for just a moment. Invite your animal into this space with you, physically or energetically. Allow yourself and your animal to settle into this shared moment. This week's exercise supports grounding and emotional steadiness as summer energy begins to build. June often brings more activity, travel, noise, and changing routines. This practice helps both you and your animal remain calm and centered even when life feels busy. Begin by placing one hand on your heart and one just below your belly button. Breathe slowly, allowing your shoulders to soften. Feel your body supported by the chair or floor beneath you. Now, gently bring your awareness to your feet. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, steady, strong, and supportive. With each inhale, draw calm energy upward through those roots. With each exhale, release any tension or overstimulation into the earth. Silently acknowledge your animal with gratitude. Animals naturally ground themselves through connection to the present moment. As you breathe, imagine your calm energy extending outward, creating a peaceful space around both of you. You may notice your animal settling, sighing, or simply relaxing nearby. Allow this grounded feeling to expand. Silently offer the message: we are steady, we are supported, we are calm together. Allow any sensations or emotions to arise and pass without judgment. Simply breathe. Notice one feeling present right now, even if it's subtle. Perhaps stability, quiet, or a sense of being anchored. Allow that feeling to gently settle into your body. Your grounded state becomes safety your animal can feel. Thank you for sharing this moment with me and with your animal. You can return to this practice anytime this week and let this grounding support you and your animal wherever summer takes you.